Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, innovative designs, and gadgetry that makes your life easier, then you are in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the intriguing world of Infinix, a brand that is rapidly establishing itself as a formidable player in the consumer electronics market. And if you're one of the proud owners of the Infinix Note 35G, we have some incredibly useful insights lined up just for you. Today's topic centers around something that many may overlook until it's too late, the Infinix Note 35G LCD replacement. Accidents happen. Whether it's a minor mishap like a small drop or a major fall that leaves your screen cracked, the importance of knowing how to address such issues cannot be overstated. The LCD screen is not just a surface you look at. It's your device's first point of interaction and plays a significant role in your overall experience. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the Infinix Note 35G itself. This smartphone is a blend of sleek design and impressive performance. With its vibrant display, sturdy build quality, and advanced features, it has garnered a loyal user base. The Note 35G is built for multitaskers, gamers, and anyone who enjoys consuming media on the go. Its high-resolution LCD screen contributes to astonishing visuals and makes everything from gaming to streaming a joy. Repairing a cracked screen might seem like a steep investment, but having an LCD replacement can save you a lot of money in the long run. Rather than investing in a brand new phone, a simple replacement can restore your device to its former glory. A damaged screen can impede functionality, missed notifications, trouble navigating apps, or even a completely unusable device. By replacing the LCD, you ensure that every feature, from touch responsiveness to screen clarity, operates seamlessly. Cracked screens can lead to more significant issues, such as water damage or internal hardware failures. By addressing the issue promptly with an LCD replacement, instead of being reliant on external repair services, you can confidently tackle the issue on your own. This not only saves time, but also allows you to tailor your repair experience to suit your schedule. For those who wish to take on the challenge of replacing the LCD themselves, here's a brief overview of the process. And there you have it. The Infinix Note 35G is a fantastic smartphone, worth keeping in peak condition. An LCD replacement can revive your device easily and effectively. Whether you choose to tackle this repair yourself or seek professional help, it's essential to be prepared. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech guides and reviews. Share your experiences with the Infinix Note 35G and any repair stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy tech exploring.